This is a short descriptive video of a Copal Caslon Model 101, the actual very first model of flip clock that Copal released into the market in the 60s. It's in a very nice condition, very nice distinguished colour, a bit of beige, a bit of grey, and it is working very well. The light is working, the clock is working. It's just a clock, no alarm. Just wait for the flip to fall down. Need a bit of patience. Of course, this is a real glass. The back bezel that holds the glass in place, it's made out of some aluminum. Very nicely done. So, I think we're almost there. Yes, there we go. So there's only one knob to adjust the time. You can hardly see it. I don't think I can get it on camera. There are some very nice superficial cracks, probably because of the sunlight or the heat. Don't know. So yeah, that's it. Just give you a quick view of the label. 24 hours, 220 volts, 50 Hz. That's it. Thank you for watching.